Hi. Today let's take a look at a limited skateboard sneakers and specifically the Nike SB Dunk Low Rayssa Leal. The shoe has a unique design that blends between the two colors. From one view of both shoes you can see blue and from the other pink. So each shoe is a little bit different. It is worth mentioning both the middle panel with the molded pattern in white leather and the colored beads on the laces. These SB Dunks came out a week ago for $125 on the sneakers app and at some retailers. After being sold out everywhere, they are now selling for $200 to $230 on the secondary market. Let me know in the comments what you think of them. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.